Hello everyone! For today's video we have something a little bit different for you guys. For today's video we have a bucket bale spear. Now, you might be asking yourself, can you really get something like this on Amazon? Well, first off, let me first show you guys. You might not be able to see it up close, but the quality is high quality. It's going to come, like this one has a little scuffs on it, so from shipping there's going to be that scuffs, but of course what you're going to be using it for, it's going to get scuffed up the first use, so that's not really a big issue. What we really want to see is it actually steel? Yes it is. Is it heavy duty? Just this piece here, is it got some weight to it. And we're not even on the main piece. This, my friends, is the main piece. And when I say it's got some weight to it, it's got some weight to it. The whole thing is definitely high quality. It's not, I wasn't sure, coming from Amazon, if it's actually high quality or not. Again, there's going to be some scuffs, some paint chips missing, but besides that, this thing is heavy duty. And when I say heavy duty, it's got some weight. In fact, I am curious to see how heavy that is. Probably, I don't know. It's very heavy, so keep that in mind. Obviously, you guys are getting it for your hay bales. You know exactly what you're getting. You know it's going to be heavy. So let's show you guys up close a little bit. All right. So they just attach these pieces that you can readjust and remove. Everything is steel, just so you know. So for us, we have some imperfections, some nicks there. But for the majority of it, there's a little nick there. Little scuff there. That looks like probably some orange paint, maybe from that hitting during shipping.